Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you a cake that doesn't require baking and it's just perfect for this hot summer. It is called tiramisu, but instead of coffee we're gonna use oranges to prepare it. I'm gonna start with the syrup, for which I'm gonna need 100 grams of sugar, 100 milliliters of water, the zest and the juice from one orange. I will put in a pot sugar followed by water. Put this on the stove and boil it until the sugar starts to dissolve, maybe 10 minutes or so. Zest the orange that you previously washed, and now turn off the stove and add orange juice freshly squeezed, and let this syrup to cool down completely. And what I'm gonna do next is the filling for the cake. And for the filling, you're gonna see I will need cream cheese, 200 grams. You can use Philadelphia or any other brand. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, orange zest, and 150 milliliters of orange juice and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm gonna grate the orange zest. Juice the oranges, and I'm gonna measure the juice, and I'm gonna reserve only 115 milliliters for the filling. I'm using my kitchen scale here. Put cream cheese in a bowl, and I'm gonna soften it up with a mixer. Start mixing in sweetened condensed milk. I'm gonna add now orange zest. I always want to say lemon zest, but it's all orange zest. You can use, I guess, lemon as well. Add vanilla extract. Don't forget about that because it's gonna give a nice flavor. Mix this all with the mixer. And now I'm gonna add orange juice. And this is how the filling looks like. Now I have to assemble the cake, and I'm gonna need about 24 lady fingers, and I'm gonna place them in this metal form. I'm gonna dip them in syrup and put 12 of them as a base layer. Add half of the cream on top of them, level it nicely with a spatula, and another layer of lady fingers dipped in the same syrup. Cover the cake with the rest of the filling that we made. You can decorate the cake using a spatula like this or a fork and place it in the fridge until the next day because it needs time to set and those lady fingers to rehydrate. And it's gonna be an awesome cake. Remove the metal from cake form when you wanna serve it, portion it, and serve it right away. It's really nice and really easy to prepare and suitable for this hot summer, but I guess you can make this any season of the year. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button if you like the recipe that I presented you today. And find reasons to smile. And I'm gonna see you next time with another recipe. Until then, have an awesome day. Bye.